We got my wife over there moving the Chrysler over here. Yes, sir. Hopefully we have a good day, boys. Look at her. Reverse, please. Reverse. Bozo.
I can adjust these seats, right?
Yes.
But I can't reach, like, for shit.
Yes, sir. What's today? Wednesday? Snap-on's about to come by and rate me. I'm backed up on my payments, but check this shit out, man. What the fuck is that? I hate driving like that. Come on, come on. Women these days. Damn, they need some brakes on that thing. Hey, god damn, what are you doing? That's good. Jesus. So we just went to pick up the parts for this, and they told me it's gonna be $100 core for this damn piece. I was like, what? Yeah, I need to take this back so you get my fucking $100 back. So, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and slap this bumper on, take the runs off. Oh, look at that girl. Are you Superwoman or Super Cock?
Oh, it's white.
Do we get in or not?
Yeah, we did get in. Because it's not moving, look. There, it's over there, too. Go look at it.
I think Andrea's crying.
See?
Okay.
It's good.
Now, I'm gonna have to fucking plastic repair this or something. Oh, this chrome piece is back to order. So, I'm gonna call the dealer and see what we should do because it's back in back order for a month or something like that. Now we gotta see what we gotta do. Should we turn it in? Should we not? Yep. So I gotta put the rivet here because these are riveted on. Right? Yeah, right there. And on the other side. So I'll do that and start working on it.
Anything kind of? I don't know. See, it ends of the day. Don't tell me. I'm trying to figure it out.
I almost forgot that I need to repair this. Oh fuck, can't even see. Hold on. That's smashed upwards. I wouldn't even call that shit a repair. It's just whatever. Yep. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all this shit out so I can get in there and hammer it out. Now we didn't even have to take the tail lights off to take the bumper off, right? Check it out, boys. Sheesh. Alright, y'all, so I forgot how to repair this. If I don't repair it, it's gonna be outwards, so it must be all the way in. I'm gonna be using some, what the fuck? Oh, aluminum tape and this plastic repair my dad got me. I've never used it, so I'm gonna use it today, see if it works. We got some of those pieces welded on. Just Still got it holding there. I think I'm gonna leave that tape there. It's aluminum tape. It's fucking hella strong. It's used for plastic repairs like this. Yeah, that thing looks pretty damn good, man. You can see a gap. You see how it looks from over here. I know it's not gonna be 100%. That's for sure. Let's see from all the way down here. You know. Yo, what's up, handsome boy? Shit. Just kidding. Damn, that's good. Yeah, it's just the tension, how it's, it just has to go down. If I put a screw here, it'd work, but who the fuck does that? Not me. I've never, ever fucking done that. And it's gonna poke through here anyway. So there's no point in doing that. It's just one of them things that you just gotta say, fuck it, you can't fix it 100%, but as long as it looks good, I ain't worried about it. I'll do some more. We'll weld some more on there and put the last piece on and put the bumper on. Start fixing those runs. So our dumbasses just work backwards. We had to put on the. We had put on the lights first, and the bumper. The video we saw apparently said, "Oh, you don't need to do that. Whatever, we did. Fucking liar. I'm gonna report you to YouTube." There's a hard-working chick right there. It's on. It looks clean. Gotta fix these fucking runs. Extra sauce. Still gotta do this one right here. Fuck! This is our repair area. Sheesh. I don't see any imperfection. Yeah, nope. Is it orange peely? Not really. Pretty damn solid. Back it up in here. Or out, I guess. It's good! God damn, she almost took it to fucking Walmart. Yeah, we're about to go to Chick-fil-A, y'all. Been wanting Chick-fil-A for a minute. Where are we gonna go eat? This is a part nobody sees, anybody who does this line of work, like, the customers don't see this shit. Like, people think it's just, oh, I'm gonna take my car to get painted. And then they take it and they expect, like, you just fucking paint it. But no, you gotta fucking sand it, clean it, mask it, And all that takes a long ass time. Like masking the card probably takes like 2 to 3 hours, probably more. So, and then like if you have shit like this, like a run, then you gotta fix that. That takes hour to 2 hours, depending how right you want it. Best. And like if you over sand, you pretty much burn the clear coat. So you sand the whole entire layer of clear, and then you get to the paint, and it's gonna look like shit. Then you're gonna have a halo in your paint job that you just fucking did. And yep. So you know the clients don't see this shit. So this is the little things that matter to have a card done right. I know it's gonna take me a little longer than expected. I was expecting it to just fucking paint and slap the bumper on, and boom, let's go. But yeah, shit happens. Oh well.